Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make Discord notifications pop up on phone. Here are the steps to make Discord notifications pop up on your Android phone. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the user settings. Scroll down and tap on notifications. Make sure get notifications within Discord is turned on. Now, scroll down, choose which notifications you want. For example, all messages, only direct message, or never. Now go to your phone settings app. Tap apps or notifications depending on your phone model. Find and tap to select Discord from the app list. Tap all notifications and ensure it's allowed. Make sure show badges, banners, lock screen, or play sound is also enabled if available. Restart your phone to apply all changes. Now, you should receive pop-up notifications from Discord. If it still doesn't work, check if battery saver or do not disturb is turned off. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.